welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I want to show you a couple of gadgets I've purchased for my channel, obviously. And before we move forward, feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments. I'm happy to reply back. I've decided to purchase extra accessories for my accessory bag just because I think I need them to record some b-rolls as well. So the one I've purchased is this clamp. I really like this clamp because you can attach this one to anything, and in particular I really like this middle bit. So what I've done, I'll show you. So I really love this bit. It's really strong and really good quality. I've purchased, this is my second one. I have another one in my accessory bag, but this one I'm using when I'm recording while I'm driving, and I have attached this one to my windshield screen, and to be honest, it's doing a really great job. I had purchased last year similar to this, but it broke down, so I've decided to send it away and just get a proper one. So the quality of this is metal, which is really good. As you can see here, it is metal, which is really good quality, and you can attach any attachments to here. So if you want maybe to attach any old GoPro that doesn't have the screw bit inside, you can do that by changing the top bit. So far for me it was good because I can use the screw bit on my GoPro 12, and that's alright. I also can attach my Insta360 X3 to this what do you call it, clamp. The next accessory I've purchased is this. I think a lot of people are having this little arm clamp, I would call it. It's really interesting. I've purchased this one last year, same one, but I think I've received it damaged. It didn't hold it really good, my Insta360 or my GoPro, so I've decided to send it away. And last week I've decided to buy it again, but this time from eBay and not Amazon. So far it's doing alright. No signs of damages. It holds my GoPro 12 really good. I think it says that it can hold any camera. I will not gonna test it because, well, an Insta360 or an action camera can weigh not a lot. But let's talk about how much a proper camera can weigh, especially with a heavy lens and really expensive lens. So I'm not gonna risk it with a heavy lens. So this is my clamp, arm clamp, how you call it. I'm gonna use this one to record b-rolls with my GoPro 12 and maybe my Insta360. So I'm gonna put that one back, pretty much all done. I've showed you a bit what I've got for my future videos. Any questions, again, ask in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well if you like this video. It's not a long video, but I've decided to share this with you. And if you're interested in them two accessories, I'm gonna pop a link in the description so you can click it and maybe purchase one for yourself. I'll just need to put this one back. I really like this one. As I said, really great quality. I don't really like about this because it's really hard. It's not a how do you say it, compact. If you want, you just need to take the whole thing apart. So basically you just need to take this one off and then just you got only the arm. But again, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.